Hello, welcome to your online pom pom workshop. I'm Katie, I'm the founder of the Sewcial Circle and I am obsessed with pom poms. They are just the most joyful craft there possibly could be. So they're super simple. I'm going to break it down for you. They're also not as hard as they look to get like perfectly dense pom poms. So I'm going to show you all my tricks and tips. We're going to be using bamboo robot loom tool, which is my favorite tool to use to do pom poms. And I'll show you how to do all the patterns, how to get that really tight middle knot, and also how to trim so that they're nice and round. So these are a few I made earlier that will make an appearance in the workshop. So get comfortable whether you're crafting on the sofa or on your kitchen table, and we'll get started in just a minute.